Now, the last 8 years have been the wildest ride of my life. Sexy Confidence went from being an idea that I developed with just a cheap camera and a microphone to now being one of the largest dating advice brands for women in the entire world. Every day, my team and I get to wake up to hundreds of stories, emails, comments, instant messages from women just like you who have used our principles to be able to change their life and attract that relationship that they truly deserve. Whether you just like to watch our videos on YouTube or you become one of our paying clients, I just want to tell you it's been an absolute honor serving you. But over the past few years, it's become very clear that the name Sexy Confidence hasn't really been serving us. It doesn't exactly encompass what it is that we do around here. Of course, building sexy confidence is an important step to finding love. In fact, it's the first step to finding love, but it's only one piece of the puzzle. So when I started thinking about a name change about a year ago, I went to the one person who's my most trusted advisor, my dad. I wanted to ask him what he thought. Now, as a quick backstory about my dad, Mike, he actually used to be a motivational speaker himself, traveling all across the country, helping people break through their biggest fears.
And finally, by noon today, the goal is you will feel differently about what you can do, the power that you have, and two, take that knowledge and that mindset.
He's truly been there from the very start, whether I was speaking at colleges all across the country, be able to help students break through their confidence issues, or all the way through when I used to coach men on how to overcome their social fears and approach women. My dad would actually come to those boot camps with me to be able to help me and help these guys be able to overcome their social fears. He was always there from the start. No matter how weird the concept ever got, he was always a big supporter. Needless to say, I trust his advice when it comes to these things. So when I presented my dad with a list of over 40 ideas I had for new names of the company, in classic Mike fashion, he came back with a pitch of his own. This is the email he sent me. Whenever people think about or experience the feelings of love, the emotion is ineffable. Love is what all humans desire. In fact, most humans will willingly die to protect their loved ones. So to include the word love in our name search is clearly a solid 10. And then he went on to give me 8 reasons why I believe Love Strategies is the right name. And you know what's the funniest part about all of this? Love Strategies wasn't on my list of 40 names I gave him. He was pitching me on a whole different name that I hadn't even given him. And I fought it at first because you know what? That's my dad. I don't want to listen to him. What does he know about women? But after surveying literally thousands of all of you women, thank you for those of you who are part of this name change, you all came back with your answers. Love Strategies is the answer. And that is because sexy confidence is just one part of your overall strategy to finding love. And we all want to have the right proven strategies to attract that long-term relationship we truly deserve. And the moment that that clicked in my head, I knew that this name was the right one. Dad, I'll say this one time and one time only. You were right. So as of today, we're transitioning from Sexy Confidence to Love Strategies, and the brand new website at lovestrategies.com is now up. But seriously, don't worry, the concept of sexy confidence isn't going away. It's still little love step number 1, which is building your sexy confidence. That is the first step out of 7 to be able to attract long-lasting love. But it's just one step of your overall strategy. So where does this leave us now? We're launching this new company with 2 core programs. For starters, the Love Strategies Lab is a monthly membership where we explore new ideas about love, dating, relationships, men, and sex so that you can start on your path towards educating yourself in the most beautiful language of all time, which is love. The lab is really good for women in all stages of love, whether you are single or currently heartbroken, or you are in a new relationship or even married. We have content in the Love Strategies Lab that will help you improve your love life. The second program is Love Accelerator Coaching. Now, this program is only for single women who are truly committed to finding long-lasting love. And this is where we teach the 7 little love steps in depth, and we provide the coaching, support, and community to make it a reality for you. We're incredibly proud of both programs, and we have a lot more information on our new website at lovestrategies.com. And with the launch of Love Strategies, our mission has grown. We believe that love education should be an integral part of our society. We believe that everyone deserves love if they are willing to put in the effort to make it happen. We believe that knowledge is power, and that healthy relationships come from having the right information and the right mindset to make it happen. We believe in finding healthy, monogamous relationships, and that the person you marry and you spend the rest of your life with is the most important decision you will ever make, so you don't want to make it lightly. We believe that truth and science overrule all that pop dating advice you're going to find out there online. And finally, we believe that the most important relationship you will have in life is a relationship you have with yourself. Love yourself and the rest will follow. So join me on this journey to helping women all around the world find those healthy relationships that we believe that they truly deserve. So thank you so much for being with me on this journey, but I gotta say, the journey is just beginning.